how do you do, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Vita, if you don't already know, and if you do know, then groovy. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. So, I was thinking about doing a patriotic pinup lookbook, but then I remembered that the 333 challenge that I did a few weeks ago was actually be a lot of repeating outfits there. So I decided instead of doing that, I will show y'all what I do every year. I do the same exact eyeshadow, same exact nails, you know, stuff like that. So I'm going to show y'all. It's super simple, and then just put on my outfit that I will wear for 4th of July. So yeah, I really don't know why I haven't made a lot of 4th of July videos, because that's literally like my favorite holiday besides Halloween and Christmas. So yeah. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this short, simple video, and let me know what y'all would like to see in the future.
When the red, red robins and the bob, bob whites and pretty bluebirds sing you out of bed, they're sweet, sweet to tell you in that sweet way that there's a happier day ahead. When the red, red robins and the bob, bob whites and pretty bluebirds chirp their little tune, they're just trying to sell you a bill of goods that we'll be out of the woods real soon. When they're whistling on your windowsill, join along in their familiar song if you want the whip-a-will-will. Oh, it's not so easy to be gay and breezy when the whole darn world is in a stew. But to help the morale, won't you be a good pal? Won't you warble a chorus or two, like the red, red robins and the bob, bob whites and the bluebirds? Do-da-doo-doo-doo-da-doo-da-doo-da-doo-da-doo-da-doo-da. Hep, hep, you cats dig me righteously. Speaking of birds, it's occurred to me, I know a new bird who's no bluebird. He can rock it, wait and see. You just heard the jitterbird jiving in a jumping key. Oh, it's not so easy to be gay, gay and breezy when the whole darn world is in a stew. But to help the romance, won't you be a good pal? Won't you warble a chorus or two, like the red, red robins and the bob, bob white and the bluebird too?
Let's rock it now. Well, I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, try to get a date, boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, my mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use a car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick. No, you can't use the car, cause you didn't work a leg. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, but there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Yeah!
So I really hope y'all enjoyed that, and if you do celebrate a 4th of July, then happy 4th of July! Thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps my tiny ass channel, and don't forget to keep it rockin'!
I really rock a belly. He pissed in his pants, he's you drunk to cat. He's wearing 1956 underwear.